Today we will show you the 7 ways to lose weight without dieting. Adopt one or more of these simple, painless strategies to help lose weight without going on a diet. Also check out the link in the description to get access to a proven weight loss system. Let's get started. Number 1. Eat breakfast every day. One habit that's common to many people who have lost weight and kept it off is eating breakfast every day. Many people think skipping breakfast is a great way to cut calories, but they usually end up eating more throughout the day, says Elizabeth Ward, MS, Road, author of The Pocket Idiot's Guide to the New Food Pyramids. Studies show people who eat breakfast have lower BMIs than breakfast skippers and perform better, whether at school or in the boardroom. Try a bowl of whole grain cereal topped with fruit and low-fat dairy for a quick and nutritious start to your day. Number 2. Close the kitchen at night. Establish a time when you will stop eating so you won't give in to the late-night munchies or mindless snacking while watching television. Have a cup of tea, suck on a piece of hard candy, or enjoy a small bowl of light ice cream or frozen yogurt if you want something sweet after dinner, but then brush your teeth so you will be less likely to eat or drink anything else. Number 3. Choose liquid calories wisely. Sweetened drinks pile on the calories, but don't reduce hunger as solid foods do. Satisfy your thirst with water, sparkling water with citrus, skim or low-fat milk, or small portions of 100% fruit juice. Try a glass of nutritious and low-calorie vegetable juice to hold you over if you get hungry between meals. Be careful of alcohol calories, which add up quickly. If you tend to drink a glass or two of wine or a cocktail on most days, limiting alcohol to the weekends can be a huge calorie saver. Number 4. Go for the grain. By substituting whole grains for refined grains like white bread, cakes, cookies, and pretzels, you add much-needed fiber and will fill up faster, so you're more likely to eat a reasonable portion. Choose whole wheat bread and pastas, brown rice, bran flakes, popcorn, and whole rye crackers. Number 5. Control your environments. Another simple strategy to help cut calories is to control your environment, everything from stocking your kitchen with lots of healthy options to choosing the right restaurants. That means avoiding the temptation by staying away from all-you-can-eat restaurants. And when it comes to parties, eat a healthy snack before so you won't be starving, and be selective when you fill your plate at the buffet, suggests Ward. Before going back for more food, wait at least 15 minutes and have a big glass of water. Number 6. Trim portions. If you did nothing else but reduce your portions by 10% to 20%, you would lose weight. Most of the portions served both in restaurants and at home are bigger than you need. Pull out the measuring cups to get a handle on your usual portion sizes, and work on paring them down. Number 7. Have protein at every meal and snack. Adding a source of lean or low-fat protein to each meal and snack will help keep you feeling full longer, so you're less likely to overeat. Try low-fat yogurt, a small portion of nuts, peanut butter, eggs, beans, or lean meats. If you'd like to learn how to lose weight fast at home without any strenuous exercise, click the link below in the description and learn more about Cinderella Solution Weight Loss System.